Today I'm going to be, sorry about that. Today I'm going to be bringing out a glitch for Make It Rain. So, as you see, I just reached outside of these. Relaxing. Oh, sorry about that. And then, just go to spam that up and just defund it up. And then you want to go to settings. General. Date and time. As you can see, I've already been doing it, so I'm at tickly. And now go back like 2 days or something. Now go back to your game. Your bucket should be full. Oh wait, no, I need to restart it. Whoops, sorry guys. So go back like, how long? Like that. Okay. So go back to Make It Rain. Yeah, the love of money is the root of all evil. Yeah, cool. Let's see, my bucket's full. Now basically what you do is, now you just whoops, no. No. Yeah, so you just want to keep on doing that. So go back a day or two, swipe the app up, go back, go into this. Sorry about my voice. If it's in your bucket should be full. Oh no, what did I do wrong? Sometimes it does work, not all the time. So that's the first way. Wait for settings to load. Go to general and then accessibility and then on. You want to turn assistive touch on and then go back onto assistive touch. Create new gesture. And you just want to create like that. Money. Gesture. Okay. So now you're gonna go back to here, Make It Rain. So that was the first way I showed you. I'm gonna go to device. More. No. Go. Sorry about that, guys. Device. More. Gestures. How do you get to custom? Custom. Oh, sorry, but go back. Custom. Oh wait, I don't think I did it wrong. So that's the first way. Now go to. But that was the second way, but wait, you have to do it first. Save money. Like, 2. Sorry if I'm not like typing accurately. As you can see, yeah, so this is what it's like. Ten spoons. Sorry about that, guys. Now you want to go, so that's like basically a video. If you want to see more glitches like this, be sure to